This question on data sufficiency is a part of algebra. The question says if p and q are real numbers, then find the minimum possible value of the expression p cube into q plus q cube into p. This can be further written as, if I take out p and q common, I will be left with p square plus q square. And these are real numbers, right? So this is what we get. Now p square plus q square's minimum possible value is going to be 0. We cannot have any value of p square plus q square which is negative, but p into q may be negative. So let's look at the first statement. The first statement says p is equal to 3 and p is greater than q, which is greater than equal to 0. Since p and q, neither of these can be negative, so that means the minimum possible value of p into q whole multiplied by p square plus q square, the minimum value is going to be 0 when q is going to be 0. That is the minimum possible value of the expression. Let's say the expression's name is f of p comma q, because this is a function in p and q. So when q is equal to 0, we will have function p comma q equal to 0. That is the minimum possible value. We cannot have any value less than this. So we can answer using the first statement alone. Now let's forget about the first statement. Let's look at the second statement. It says at least one out of p and q is equal to 0. Well, this is very much similar to the first statement that we saw. If either one of p and q is equal to 0, that means even if the other value is going to be negative, for example, let's say p is 0 and q is minus 5, when you multiply, eventually the whole value will come out to be 0. So from the second statement, we get the minimum possible value of this function in p and q as 0. So we can answer using you can answer the question using either of the statements alone. We did not take help of the other statement while solving the question. So the right answer for this is B, where we can answer the question using either of the statements.